At Robert Gillespie's house, doing a repair attempt video. See the damaged shingles here we want to get to. So first we're going to put a shingle here, then we're going to show why we need to get that guy, or what it takes to get that guy out. So now putting the shingle in, you can see that I'm running into fasteners up here. This is all kind of blown apart from the storm. So I got to get some fasteners out before I can get this all the way in. So in order to do that, down as low as possible. One. Two. 3. Looks like that guy's ready to come out now with those fasteners removed. So let's try to slide back in, see if everything's out of our way. Looks like we're still running into some resistance over here. So nail flush so we can move past it. Still about a 1/2 inch shy. So the fastener is all the way up here. Blocking us from getting in. That'll do the trick. Got the shingle in place. Now, put some nails in it so we can fix the shingle above it. Four nails and the shingle strikes on. Alright, so now we want to replace this guy because he got bent up in the storm, ripped the nail through, so on and so forth, as did the whole big section. So we're going to get this separated from the shingle above it. The seal strip. Okay. And basically all the fasteners have ripped out. You can see the nail holes. The wind blew them up. All right. Now, shingle up there. We're going to do the same. We're going to see what obstacles are in our way. See, on this side, it's stopping somewhere in here. So we need to get the fasteners all pulled up here. Right. ripped out like the manufacturer suggests, but just for the video, we're just lining them all up straight. Okay. 4 nails. Got to nail into a place that's under the shingle, so of course, in order to access it, you have to manipulate the shingles a little bit. All right, so that they will lay flat. Those nails aren't flush. We stop the interlocking seals on the top side and the bottom side from sticking together. And so you can see, just from handling these shingles, they've got creases and breaks in them. This is delaminated. Dragon's teeth are coming off. So I got to get that guy out, and of course I got to get the wind damaged one out. But what we're happening is every shingle is nailed twice, or fastened twice. Once when it's put in, and once when the shingle above it is put in. It's nailed to the bottom of the shingle. And you can see that to be true. If you look at the old one, it was nailed here in the strike zone. It was nailed again when the shingle above it was put on. So in order to get this shingle, I got to rip the fasteners out, or pull the fasteners out of the shingle above it, and so on and so forth. And that's going to be a domino effect for any shingle that we touch. I'm going to have to replace all the shingles above it, which goes in a diagonal pattern. That's why this roof isn't repairable.